Today is Friday, October the 23rd, and I was walking my dog around the neighborhood and I found this weevil. A weevil is a type of beetle that has a very interesting, it's called like a snout, where you have this beak where all the jaws at the end and the tip are, and there's a specialized way to actually get into things, for example, seeds or other plants. Beetles, the group of beetles, insects are classified based on the type of wings that they have. So beetles are called the group, was a group. Beetles are called Coleoptera. Coleos means those elytra, meaning that they have strong wings. All insects have two pairs of wings. In the case of beetles, the first pair of wings are like strong, very hard, and they're covering the ones that actually allows them to fly. So in this case, for example, if you see right here in this side, in this at the top, you'll see that the wings are hard, and it's a great adaptation for beetles to be able to be in a, they are able to fly. However, the wings that allow them to fly, they're covered, they're protected. Beetles is the largest group of animals in the world. So if you put together all animals, any other kind of animal, all the species that we know exist or we have classified, we put them all together. Elephants, leopards, mammals, reptiles, you name it, fish. There are less species of other organisms or other animals than beetles. There are more beetles. The a number of species is just staggering. It's like millions of. We know that probably few hundred thousands, maybe millions of species that exist of beetles. They exist in most climates. And if you see, this is a very big, I haven't seen a big one like this in this weather. This is this is a pen, and you can see the size of the beetle. Is one of those insects that also I love to see. I have never seen a beetle like this size in San Diego. I was kind of surprised. I was excited to find it. Some of these, for example, weevils, they become pests because they eat some of the grains. For example, there's a very important one that is cotton weevil that actually affects cotton. It's one of the worst pests when it comes to cotton. But in this case, it's just a beautiful, beautiful specimen. You'll see how brilliant the color is. You can see, I'm gonna do a little bit of a close-up, see if it works. Right there at the top of before the snout starts, you have to see the eyes. The antenna are very interesting antenna. The antenna are like kind of like a fan when they are looking for smelling, testing things. Those antenna open a little bit. Right now you can see that antenna open a little bit. All insects, they have three pairs of legs, meaning 6 legs. That's what is different with arachnida or spiders. Spiders have 4 pairs of legs or 8 legs. It's one way to classify or check the difference between a group of arthropods, that is spiders, and insecta, that is, as I said, one of the most numerous groups in the world. And among insecta, or among insects, the most abundant group is beetles. So this is a beautiful, beautiful specimen of a weevil. So just like looking at it, it's like look, it looks like all these insects, they look like from a science fiction movie.